Pilipini 7 halo arni kang sambirta thanpang sami brismai disopi non birta thebi pen arjuitha.
Pini niphai ner ke madijonga cheklo surini rank or player ni Western Rengma Baptist Associations ningkan troxy kebra pho aningkan karchu mission sai kapachun pon. Nilib number 2 constituency ka parlo Western Rengma Baptist Associations ningkan troxy kebra pho ajai me ke paman pona putha ki chengpen ki jud an mission pen sai kapachun bonji mai ka chepahim phupon mai phu reverend haivolo upon executive secretary CRBC Lapen Reverend Thang Cebu lead pastor WRBA alang litum pensi pinang an arnamalam than ponno arnam imek pen thailong le kangdu kachipa bi ki khro ining kang thirnangji ki pi ke pajir kang hon ka jinso henlo pusi rada phan than pon asanson arnam alun ki mi ke ro karchu alun hai hui paklang ponno lapen ni hang karbi baptist associations nkb alang litum pen stame chitong dun pen arnam alun pen ke ro karchu ningkarong pen chirap chito dunu nili pen roland killing news text report b news 7
Non birtang ton pen arjuitha.
Salvation has been brought down, oh glory, praise the Lord. Bless the Lord, salvation has been brought down from heaven. Go and shout, and tell the world around. Go preach it and tell it today to people in sorrow. Tell it today and tell it tomorrow. Preach the word of God that we might win a shining crown. Heaven, tell the Lord, salvation is full and free to see its presence. Bless and loose all over the land and sea. Go teach it and tell it all far in every nation. Tell it all far all over creation. Praise the Lord, bless the Lord, salvation has been brought down. His blessed promises, sweet victory can be found. Praise His laws and holy name, salvation has been brought down. Oh glory, praise the Lord, bless the Lord, salvation has been brought down from heaven. Go and shout, and tell the world around. Go preach it and tell it today to people.
27 December 27 ko people see kaching mane ka prek association ke sengma pulo pulo te hala sohot kachi tonte kale kachi un e buta kale thang lam da ve seta lam language so lam ben posian sap kachi sak dokok titi pu pensi hala sohot WR hoton alangli metha masi chekso hobha hedi chekso baptist mondri long 1931 aningkan hala daksi WR hoton pen let Chathan Jising Langli Parsi Evangelist Baptikang lo Lapen Karitang Kenin lo Rengma Langli Parsi Kiching si Pastor Baptikang Lasupen si Rengma may mate ke jatu talang klang lo Lapen tu ulang nila men ke nili ninga we adlu setame WRBA Lapen NKB ke cherap lo kasam pulit kita Lapen Karbi Rengma ke ajat si ke prekjo hemi sisi ke dorap la puja ase nini ka kira pudam dam rengma hello karbi atumpen ke cheklo ke chepon nei ke chetempo nei akai ke akura jon anda nang chitni ile tum karbi atum ko sonsi ka chir mala sonda do et la tum la ben alang le tum hello lam karbi lam da ke charlie ani ka hang nei ke ili tum karbi atum mangke tan ong te rengma lam ke Charlie dun masih Charlie dun mangke la pu pinya pronta asi non mangken sengkan troksike pra pho ke chok WRBA a mei pen ke Japon ke klempon kam lo an hem pu anam an ka choro thu ning ke sampen anam nang ja pa lam chuma thada pen si ning arong pen hem pu ka choro kam ni tum la so kam klem lo la pen ning arong pik lo la pen nili phan ka hirjume the pik lo pamo het rengma karbi atum pen kachira balam la pen karbi atum pen prang prang ke ja tum rengma karbi atum ke mi sen pen kachira het pen ke do pen yok si Kristo beta ke meta ke long lu ko mili aju long lo pen mili mikri ta ke bulo prang prang ke ja tum pan ko ma thak be to par pin
তো আজি সেইটো ৰেংমা ৱেষ্টাৰ্ণ ৰেংমা বাতি ছেশ্যন কথা কেইটামান আপোনাক কৈ দিব নেকি
ঈশ্বৰ ধন্যবাদ দিছে ভাল সময় পোৱাৰ কাৰণে আৰু যদি আমি ৰেংমা ৱেষ্ট ৰেংমা বাপ্তিষ্ট এছ'চিয়েশ্যনৰ যদি আমি হিষ্ট্ৰী যদি চাবলৈ যায় if we look back of the history of West Rengma Baptist Association, it was the missionaries and evangelists of Ningkan Karbi Baptist Association who brought the message of love, the message of salvation of Jesus Christ, and showed the love of God to the Rengma people, especially in Karbi Anglong Assam. Before West Rengma Baptist Association was founded in 27 December 1949, the Rengmas and the Karbis, they were together under one umbrella, led by the NKBS, the present NKBS. Even though it was not NKBS before, but it was our Karbi brothers and sisters under the platform. We were together and we were worshiping the Lord together. But because of the language problems, it was in 1949, 27 December, that the Western Rengma Baptist Association was born with the permission and the allotment from the Karbi brothers and sisters. So today we're celebrating 75 years of Western Rengma Baptist Associations of God's love. Therefore, on these days, we thank God, we thank the NKBs, the leaders of the Karbis, for loving us, for showing the love of God to us 75 years back and even before.
Sir, ante da mondoli ko an pelo da ka chitong ke Pini labang so halong ke
18 churches and 1 fellowship. And beside that, there are others also. They come from different churches. But under our association, we have just 18 churches with 1 fellowship.
tante non la pining labang so ningkan bipon lo next ningkan kuna skibi boni labang so lan thinan lirat phan thamon মানে next বছর কতে রাখিব এটু হোবা
Next year this is a celebration of 75 year celebration, and next year at Jungpa Baptist Church we will be having another big conference, and that will be West Rengma Baptist Association 75 session annual conference with the theme "Be Holy Because I Am Holy," and that will be in the month of February.
স্যার আৰু আপোনাৰ হিটো আপোনাৰ আজি সেশন লগত আপোনাৰ কোনোবা আপোনাৰ স্পন্সৰ কৰা মানুহ আছে নেকি আপোনাৰ কেইটামান কথা কৈ দিবচোন
No, we don't have any sponsorship from anywhere because the 18 churches were coming together. We have budgeted ourselves from the church, even though our people are very poor. But then because of God's love, all the 18 churches, they have generously contributed to our association, and with that only we are using them in celebrating this 75th celebration. Along with that, there are many people that we approach, and then they generously bless us with whatever they can.
Tangte Pini berta ke lansing toni koglo domi thangme kurang thu kardom.